How to fix Facebook block. Hello everyone, in this video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. Let's start. So first guys, you need to go and open settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Facebook. Open Facebook then and click on storage option. Click now on the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data. Click OK, then you have to back and click on force stop and click OK, and now you have to go and restart your phone, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.